Hello everyone, in this video we understand that how we can uninstall Microsoft Edge browser from our laptop or PC. Let's start. Firstly, go to this PC and go to local disk C. Here you can select program file x86. When you OK, you can select Microsoft in this list. Here you can select only Edge. Then select application. Here you can see 12 numbers. It is the version of Microsoft Edge you have in your laptop. Now click on the version and select installer. Here you can select installer. Here in search bar simply type CMD. Here you can see installer. Click here. Firstly remove it first and click CMD. Wait a second. And here you can type this text. Here you can type setup.exe space uninstall space system level space verbose logging space force uninstall. When you type here, then enter. After typing here, it is ask you sure to uninstall. Click yes and it can be removed from your PC. Thank you.